Remember when I planted a bunch of loofah at the beginning of the summer?
And I didn't even use a garden bed. I just ripped up my grass, threw down some compost, and put some started loofah that I had started inside for about 4 to 6 weeks and transplanted them out along my fence. I got loads of flowers, and now I have some pretty big loofah, and this guy is ready to dry, and it's full of seeds. After I cut the end off and get the majority of the dried seeds out, I start to peel off the outer shell. This is basically a loofah fruit that has gone too far, and now it's a sponge. I let them bleach out in the sun, and then I cut them into pieces that can be sewn into a square. I just have it basically smushed down and then cut into a square, and you can leave a little pocket to put a bar of soap in here if you want to make the square a little bit bigger. But this is just some organic hemp cord that's completely compostable along with the sponge itself. And now it's time to use these loofah rings to make some loofah soap.